Habit tracking involves recording and monitoring your progress with implementing new habits or eliminating old ones. Habit tracking provides a visual representation of your progress over time. By recording each instance of successfully completing a habit, you create a visual record of your consistency and commitment. This visualization can be highly motivating and rewarding, as you see your efforts accumulate and your habits solidify. Habit tracking holds you accountable for your actions by providing tangible evidence of your behavior. When you record each instance of sticking to your habit or failing to do so, you create a record that you can review and reflect on. This accountability can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed to ensure success. Habit tracking allows you to identify patterns and trends in your behavior. By reviewing your habit tracking data, you can discern when and where you're most successful with your habits, as well as pinpoint any obstacles or challenges that may be hindering your progress. This insight enables you to make informed decisions about how to adjust your approach for greater success. Habit tracking empowers you to experiment with different strategies and techniques for habit formation. As you track your progress, you can evaluate which methods are most effective for you and make adjustments accordingly. Whether it's changing the timing, location, or implementation of your habits, habit tracking provides valuable feedback that guides your decision-making process. Habit tracking encourages you to celebrate small wins and milestones along the way. Each checkmark or entry in your habit tracker represents a step forward in your journey toward positive change. By acknowledging and celebrating these small victories, you reinforce your commitment to your habits and build momentum for continued progress. Habit tracking can provide valuable insight into the context and triggers that influence behavior. By recording when and where you engage in certain habits, you can identify patterns and correlations between your environment, emotions, and behavior. This can help you understand the specific cues or triggers that prompt certain habits and enable you to modify your environment or routines to support positive behavior change. Habit tracking can uncover hidden patterns or associations that may not be immediately apparent. For example, you might notice that you're more likely to engage in unhealthy eating habits on days when you're feeling stressed or tired. By identifying these patterns, you can address underlying factors contributing to your behavior and develop strategies to overcome them. While habit tracking typically focuses on specific behaviors, it can also provide insights into broader patterns of well-being and lifestyle habits. For example, you might notice correlations between your sleep quality, exercise routine, and productivity levels. By tracking multiple aspects of your daily routine, you can gain a more holistic understanding of your habits and overall well-being. Habit tracking doesn't have to be limited to quantifiable behaviors. You can also track qualitative aspects of your habits, such as your mood, energy levels, or motivation. By recording subjective experiences alongside your behavior, you can gain a deeper understanding of the psychological and emotional factors that influence your habits. Habit tracking is a flexible tool that can be adapted to suit your individual preferences and goals. You can experiment with different tracking methods, formats, and tools to find what works best for you. Whether it's using a traditional pen and paper journal, a mobile app, or a spreadsheet, the key is to choose a tracking method that is convenient and sustainable for you. By embracing habit tracking as a tool for self-discovery and growth, you can unlock new opportunities for positive behavior change and personal development.